This is how to play the intro to Smells Like Teen Spirit. So first chord, it's a power chord or a fifth chord on the first fret. First finger, first fret, lowest string. Third finger, third fret, fifth string. Fourth finger, third fret, fourth string. So you're going to sound like this. Keep your first finger rather flat so you can mute those three strings, the highest three strings. Keep your thumb, okay, in the middle of the neck like this, not up here, so that you can spread your fingers out. All right? So your strumming pattern goes down, up, down, then release the chord, but keep your fingers touching the strings lightly for some mutes. Down, up, down, up. Move that chord down one string. So you got your first finger on the fifth string on the first fret, third finger, and fourth finger on the middle two strings on the third fret. Keep your first finger touching the lowest string so you mute the lowest string, okay? And then it goes down, down, up, then two more mutes. All right, so I'll repeat that. It goes down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, then another down, up. One more time. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Move your hand to the fourth fret and repeat the exact same thing. So down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. All right, again. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Really important that you keep this strumming pattern. Keep the rhythm in your right hand. Okay? Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4.